Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with an awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to shed 30 pounds in only 15 days. And this is a powerful drink. You drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, and then you can also drink the balance of it in the evening before bed. So you're going to drink 500 ml of this in the morning, and then you're going to also drink the balance of it at night before bed. Okay, simple, easy. Now you're going to need a full-size blender, so make sure you have that ready. Now what you're also going to need is maybe a quarter piece of your lemons. Okay, so this is a quarter of lemon. I de-skinned it. Then you're going to need at least 1 inch of your ginger root. You're also going to need a cucumber, okay, some honey to sweeten, ground cinnamon, and 750 ml of water. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lemon, pop that in my blender, and I'm going to just cut up my ginger root a little bit just so that it can get through the blades a little bit more. Okay, put that in your blender. Next, we're just going to cut up cucumbers into pieces. Now I'm going to take my 750 milliliters of water and put that also in my blender. Then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of our cinnamon and put that in there. Okay, now I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of my honey. Squirt about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of honey in there. And that's it. Now we're just going to blend this up. Alright you guys, so now we are ready for our drink. Now this is a powerful fat burning drink. You're going to drink 500 ml in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast, and then you're going to drink the balance of this drink in the evening before bed. So after you pour your 500 ml, put the rest in the refrigerator for later on before bedtime, and this is going to flush that fat off of you. It's going to flush your weight, slim down your stomach, get all of that crap out of it. It's going to make you go. It's a diuretic because that cucumber is mostly made up of water as well as fiber, so it's going to stir up your intestines and get it ready for elimination. So just know this is a powerful fat burning, weight loss dropping drink. Drink this for 15 days straight, and you're going to see some really big changes in your body. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check down below for the links for the powerful NUTRIBULLET blenders, okay, as well as the metal straws. Also visit my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and family challenges on that, okay? And also, you guys, don't forget your big sis loves you, and I have another powerful video coming your way soon. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.